Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? Promise you it's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
I'm chewing out this gum, y'all, because I'm starving, but today is Sunday, 2:37. I'm actually getting a late start to my day. I just took Mia to a birthday party, so now I'm with Mia and Lyric. Lyric's in the store getting some chips. Mia's birthday's tomorrow, so I have to prepare to get her what I can get her right now. I'm actually last minute shopping, which is not like me, but we're gonna get it done. She only has a little bit of things that she wants, and we're gonna actually go to I'm just gonna take a little road trip. I have a nice place set up to take her. And then we're probably gonna go to the beach because she loves to swim. But right now, first things first, your girl's going to get these toes done. Once I get the toes done, then we're gonna go to Walmart. Gotta pick up her cake. Gotta get her birthday outfit and whatever else I see for her, we're gonna do. So that's what this vlog is gonna entail, y'all. We have a lot to do. Probably gonna make it like 2 days because I have a lot to do. Either way, first stop, we're gonna get these nails done. So if you guys wanna take the ride with me, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's do what we do. What color should I do?
Yeah.
Pink. Yeah, right?
No, blue?
Should I do blue?
Yeah.
Which one? Show me. You want me to do that one? You like that one? Can I have a 4-piece chicken tender and a small french fry with no salt?
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You want french fries?
Yeah. Hey, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby boo. I didn't get my nails done either, y'all. I'm gonna just sit it out because I have a lot of expenses, but the toes is together. I walked out of the nail salon with these on because I was not trying to put my sneakers on and mess them up. My feet look like tater tots. Look how swollen they are. Mia is a LOL lover, okay? If you guys know, you know. She has so many LOLs. I thought she would be out of this phase by now, but no, she's still loving them. I don't know which one I should get her.
This one?
That one is cute.
She likes stuff like this.
Well, we were here like the other day and she's like, Mom, I want all of these. I'm like, girl, you got a choice. You better pick one.
She has one like that, kind of.
This one is cute too. She's called Swag. She's cute.
Yeah.
I think she'll like both of these. You think
I
so?
like this one a lot.
She is cute. You know where the mini brands are, Lyric. Are those mini brands right there?
Where?
These? Are those them?
Look at the little dolls.
We got her this for Christmas. Oh no, we might have to do this, Lyric. Look at this one.
Those are the queens.
Let's swap out this one
Yeah.
and get this one. We found the mini brands, y'all. All right, so we'll get her one of those. What's that?
Fidget cubes?
Oh, does she have this one?
No, she has the regular fidget cubes. Get this one.
Which one is that? Oh, that's cute.
I don't know.
One in Minions. Something, anything Minions. Do they have Minion toys here?
They have a minion game. Oh, wait, they're in the stuffed animal.
So now we're over in the pajamas. She said she just wanted pajamas, so let's see what we gonna get. These are cute. Look how cute this is. I know. No, actually it's not. This is cute.
This?
That's cute. This one is cute. This is adorable. No? This little cute skirt. That's cute. I like this. These are cute. I don't know about the belt, but these are cute little capris. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to end up going to Children's Place because I don't even see any dresses at all. Excuse me. Do you have any dresses for little girls? Dresses? Mia would kill me if I put this on her.
A lot of these are 17.
I only have the one piece, so she's gonna have to rock out. Should we do the mermaid?
Wearing them.
If I get her Jojo Siwa, she'd be upset.
She hates.
She hates Jojo. You see 10, 12, Blair? Come over here because you taller than me. You see a 10, 12 up there? We should do that one and the mermaid one. Take those. Up and five below. We're just gonna get some knickknacks for her. Maybe some hair clips. I couldn't find any bows for her, so the outfit that I picked out, I think it's like a peach color like this. Light of a peach. This is pretty. Maybe I'll get this one for her. So wear these in my hair all the time. Looking for some squishmallows for her, but it's looking like all the squishmallows are gone. So we're in Carter's. This is gonna be our last store for today. We're just gonna try to pick out another outfit for Mia, just in case I don't like the way the other one looks on her. I'm just that extra. Is that a skirt?
It's a score.
I love skirts with skirt with the shorts underneath. That's so cute. Is that her size?
This is an 8.
Girl, you know she's thickums.
Oh, look at these ones. I like these ones.
I know, but I don't like the matching tops.
So
I would just do this with like a white t-shirt.
I think these ones are better. Oh,
These are cute too. I know, but find the top.
use it.
Oh wait, this is cute. Look, it has this thing.
This?
Do you think that matches?
No.
It don't?
It's a whole different color green.
It is?
Yes.
Are my eyes that bad?
Yes.
That's cute. I think that's really cute. But I want the green. The sage is my color, but
Mom,
there's no
this
top.
does not match.
You don't think it matches?
Look.
Y'all,
I'll show you guys.
I'm telling you, this match.
line.
It does. Oh yeah,
Look.
you're right. No, that's a lime green. All right, y'all. So now I am at my last stop, grocery store. Let me just tell y'all really quickly. I almost just died. I left my freaking wallet in Carter's. I literally almost lost my mind because I went to so many stores and I'm just like, my whole life is in that freaking wallet. But by the grace of God, they had my wallet. I was freaking out, but we're good. These cupcakes are so pretty. How cute these are. You can't go wrong with cupcakes. I'm probably gonna get cupcakes too, because Mom likes cupcakes as well. All of these pretty cakes right here. How cute is this? Look at the little unicorn one. These are so adorable. But me, it's simple. It's like yellow cake mixed with vanilla frosting. But Mom is eyeing it. I'm eyeing that strawberry shortcake. That looks like it's so good. What's y'all's favorite cake? My baby's birthday is 7/18. My baby was born at 6 a.m. in the morning. She's currently sleeping, but when she wakes up, I'm gonna make it seem like she's not getting anything for her birthday, no gifts. We're not gonna celebrate, none of that. We're gonna get her a little, we're gonna play with her for a little bit. Just the way she gets me worked up sometimes. We're gonna do it to her today because why not? I ain't pranked them in a long time, and let's just get her reaction. Mia is very sensitive. She's not gonna like it. I wanna get her to the point where she starts crying, but we're gonna play with her just a little bit. There's no way in God's green earth I wouldn't celebrate my baby's birthday. So today, Daddy and I are here, and we're gonna make it a beautiful day for her, but she doesn't know that. We're gonna have fun today. Actually, a little bummed because initially we were gonna go to an indoor water park, but I lost my credit card. Waiting for a replacement to come in the mail, so I couldn't book reservations. Then we're gonna go to this big water park outdoors, but of course it's raining today. Plan A didn't work, plan B didn't work. We got a plan C. Why are you upset? Today is the best day of your life.
No, it's not.
Why?
Don't put me on the camera.
Are you mad? It's your birthday.
I don't even a birthday. Let me go.
I have something to tell you, Mia.
I don't.
We all have something to tell you. Mia,
Look at Mom.
do you know what today is?
My birthday.
How old are you today?
Look at Mom.
It was a prank. It was a prank! And we pranked you because we are pranksters. And guess what?
You don't think we're gonna get you stuff? You don't think we're gonna make your birthday special? That's why I asked you.
Justice, say happy birthday to Mia.
Yeah.
I need you to get dressed
Nico,
because we are going to have a blast today. Did you really think we weren't going to get you anything, me and Daddy? You can't go out like that. Did you get a fit for your birthday?
No.
She doesn't have a fit, Dad.
I don't know what we're gonna do about that.
Think if I say abracadabra, make Mia's outfit appear, it'll appear. But you gotta close your eyes. Abracadabra, make Mia's outfit appear. It didn't work. It didn't work. Let's try again. Abracadabra.
Me too.
Make Mia's outfit appear. Okay, maybe one more time. Abracadabra, make Mia's outfit appear.
Oh.
What's that? Wait a minute.
Outfit. Inside like this.
Yes, you like it?
Yeah.
So now you can get all pretty, and then we're gonna get ready for our next location.
Feeling better? A little bit?
Your daddy and mom.
You welcome, boo boo boo. My
love
tinky
you.
winky 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 winky. Starbucks run, y'all. And now we hitting the road. Gang is here.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to
Birthday girl! Did you have fun at Dave & Buster's?
Yes.
Okay, so the surprise doesn't end here. I need you to pick a number between 1 and 10.
6.
6? Okay, close your eyes. Which one, Dad? You want to start off small?
Put your arms up.
Put your arms out.
Keep your eyes closed.
Don't look. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! No. Gotcha. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, like 9:30 in the morning. Just wanted to end this vlog off. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with Mia and the family. She had a beautiful birthday. I'm actually rushing right now because we're on our way out to another fun event for the day. You can tell what we're doing. But yeah, just want to end this video off. Yeah, I'm running late right now, okay? I was supposed to be up at like 7, but I woke up at 8:30. I have to head out right now. We're going to do another family fun day. Fun in the sun. We're trying to hurry up because it's supposed to be like 100 degrees. But I wanted to end the vlog off correctly. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with us for Mia's birthday. She had a beautiful birthday, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog.